Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Handheld steam cleaner from Silvercrest produces a powerful jet of steam for a deep clean. In the past I have made a video with other models, this is the newest model, so stay tuned to find out how it works. Deep clean eliminates 99.99% of household bacteria without chemicals, 4 meters of cable, heating time 3 minutes, 2.8 to 3.5 bars, 250 ml the container with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. So many accessories. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Large cable, I like that, 4 meters. Let's see one by one what we have at the box. The window squeegee, soft rubber at the front. You can use it with this upholstery nozzle. Install that here, press and it locks. The steam output, and of course that you can connect it at the extension hose. Press, rotate and it locks, and that you can connect it here at the steamer. Press, rotate and it locks. So easy. Unlock. We have silicone rubber both here at the inlet. Rotate, unlock, and here the same. Next we have this fiber cover. Pull to remove, and you can install the fiber cover here at the upholstery nozzle. The angle nozzle, you can connect that here. Perfect. And connect the other one here at the hose. Pull to remove, and then you can connect and the round brass here. So many accessories, I like that. We have the measuring cup, max capacity 250 ml. And we have in this funnel. It will help to fill up with water the steam cleaner. At the steam cleaner we have the power indicator and the steam indicator, red and green. The steam trigger with a lock button, press and it doesn't work. Lock and unlock. Press again, unlock, and it's working. The safety valve, remove the safety valve and insert the water, and of course the steam outlet. Silicone rubber at the safety valve. That is all about. Let's fill up with water and start the test. I will use the funnel. Perfect. Install the valve. Plug it in. Red LED indicator. It doesn't have an on-off switch, so when you plug in, it will start working. You need to wait for about 3 minutes, heat up time, and of course you can connect directly the extension nozzle here and connect some of these accessories wherever you want. You can connect indirectly this one, the upholstery nozzle, press, rotate and it locks. It is your choice what you want to do, what you want to clean. Or if it is more convenient, you can connect the flexible hose. You can connect even the extension if you want. So many parts. So let's wait until it will go green. It's boiling right now. We have steam. Not yet the green light, it is on, but we have steam. Green light, it is on. Ready to use. Is a versatile cleaning device designed to tackle various household tasks without the use of chemicals. Utilizing high-pressure steam, it effectively cleans, disinfects and degreases surfaces such as fittings, sinks, mirrors, tiles, rims, upholstery, textiles and more. Why you love it? Versatile cleaning, great for floors, tiles, upholstery and even car interiors. Quick heat up, ready to use in just 1 minute. Eco-friendly, cleans with just water, no chemicals needed. Compact and portable, lightweight and easy to store. And if you want to refill again with water, remember you need to relieve the pressure and then open the valve. Otherwise it will not open and it is very dangerous. Perfect. If you are tired of scrubbing or want a more sanitized home without toxic cleaners, this steam cleaner is definitely worth checking out. And that's a wrap on our review of this Silvercrest handheld steam cleaner. If you are looking for a powerful, chemical-free way to deep clean your home, this compact steam cleaner is a fantastic choice. With 1050 watts of steam power, a large 250 ml water tank, and multiple attachments, it's perfect for tackling everything from kitchen grease to bathroom grime, all without harsh chemicals. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more cleaning gadget reviews and home tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. See you in the next one.